The Gift of the Magi. It was Christmas Eve, and Dahlia was desperate. She had only $1.87, nowhere near enough to buy a meaningful gift for her husband, Jim. Dahlia and Jim were poor, but deeply in love. They each had one prized possession, Dahlia's long, beautiful hair, and Jim's gold pocket watch, a family heirloom. Determined to buy Jim the perfect gift, Dahlia made a tough choice. She sold her hair for $20. With the money, she bought a platinum watch chain, imagining Jim proudly using it. When Jim came home, he was shocked to see her short hair. But instead of anger, he smiled and handed her a gift. Dahlia unwrapped it and gasped. Beautiful comb she had once admired, now useless without her long hair. Choking back tears, she gave Jim his present, the watch chain. But Jim only laughed and said, "I sold my watch to buy your combs." Both had sacrificed their most precious possessions for each other. Though their gifts were now useless, their love was stronger than ever, a true Christmas gift.